Okay, my cutout from my silhouette. Then I transferred the top over here. You see all my diamonds, my rhinestones. In the process of blinging this out. One side, for some reason, brushing in my stones, all my stones would come to find out that, not sure when it happened, my bag was mixed with 16s and 10s. So now I have to separate as I go because everything didn't fall into place. So I'm separating my stones as I go. Unfortunate. Correct it, but once the process is completed, all is well. It's going to take me a little bit longer. The first time I've ever done a full shirt. So this would happen when I do a full shirt. One thing about crafting, mistakes happen, and in order to perfect it, you have to have patience to correct it. The word tells us patience is a virtue, and if you don't have that patience, you won't reach perfection. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions or anything you would like to see me do, just comment. I don't say no to anything. I'll make it happen. That's what our motto here is at Spicy Wine Design, making your thoughts a reality. So if you thought it, we're going to try to make it a reality. We're not going to try, we're going to make it a reality. Wasn't too bad. I'm getting there. Just have to get down to everything, and I think I'll be done. And then we'll go to the next process of getting it on transfer paper. so happy about this. It came through very well, as you all can see. Again, I have to do the everything, but other than that, it looks fantastic. Got over everything. I just have to look and make sure I don't miss anything. But yes, we'll be back with the finished project. I'm going to complete the everything and then come back with my transfer sheet and show you how that part is done. Okay, have the top adhesive on, the transfer adhesive rather. Everything went down well. So now I'm going to get ready for pressing. And the shirt will be ready. I had to do a double strip because I guess the transfer I have wasn't big enough for this. So I'm gonna lay it back on the carrier sheet so I can really show it to you, so you can see it better. I'm sorry, I'll come back into the frame. And there it is. If you have any suggestions what color shirt I should do this on, I'm not even sure yet. Some of the stones moved. But other than that, this is it. And we'll definitely be back for the pressing. Like I say, some of the stones moved. I think the humidity doesn't help me be great either. And then once I put it down, I can always move it with my nails. One out of all of these is not bad. Okay, if you know what color shirt I should do this on, let me know. I know the majority of it will probably be black. I'm so over black. I'm in the South. And it's hot. So I try to stay out of black, but yeah, stones look better on black. So here we are. It's finished. Got over everything. Again, thank you for visiting and watching, and I look forward to seeing you real soon.